Some additional resources just to wrap up. So I try to keep healthy, try to keep wealthy, try to keep wise. So you can check out Destroy Obstacles is another website. So if you go to Digital Beyond, Destroy Obstacles, I try to keep just read up on books, share a lot of useful information there. As far as Wealthy, Next Level Fi, that's another website that I have there. Fi is financial independence, so you can check out a lot of useful information there. People that have basically saved half of their income or more, and they're able to retire within 10 years. So definitely a lot of great information out there. There's a lot of different money bloggers that are out there that will definitely tell you a lot of information there, so you can check that out. Now there is social groups that you can always just stay connected. For example, for exercising, I still go running around the neighborhood. Strava is a free app that can track how far you've gone, so that's a great app there. For reading, I use Goodreads, definitely a great website. You can join groups, you can see what the ratings are for different books. And as far as educational resources, like I mentioned, YouTube, lots of great stuff there. I'm going to take all the stuff that we talked about today. These will be different YouTube videos that you can check out. So we'll try to do those regularly, so you can check that out on YouTube for Digital Beyond. Another great thing, if you haven't already done so, the library. Library is amazing. So whatever your local library is, there's a lot of electronic resources, ebooks, audiobooks. They check out what they have, because you'll be amazed. Lynda.com, for example. So my local library in South Florida, they have free training through Lynda.com. So a lot of different courses you can check out. Definitely check that out. That's definitely money saver as far as that. You can get a lot of books, just loan it out. Digital books. I like to use Devices. I'm not going to say the name because but Amazon Devices, for example, you speak to them. It'll even, if you have it in the right format, Kindle is what they typically use. You can have it read to you, or on your phone. Usually they have an app where you can listen to it as well. So definitely check that out. All right, as far as giving, obviously there's a lot of free webinars, free resources, so check it out online, see what you can find there. There's lots of community events where you can get involved, volunteer, obviously keeping that social distance depending on what it is. Another thing is Charity Navigator. That's a good website if you definitely want to help out. You don't have the time, but hey, maybe you have a few dollars to give. Check out that website. They actually have a specific area on Charity Navigator, specifically related to COVID-19. So you can definitely check that out. Just another way to give. So definitely highly urge you to check that out. All right, so I am done. That's it. So if there's no questions, I don't know. I don't think we have time. Oh, I ran out of time. So as far as questions, hey, feel free to reach out. So it's like I said, my name is James. At Digital Beyond is my handle. You can find me on Twitter. You can find these videos on YouTube. Expect more of those. And definitely check out, like I said, digitalbeyond.com, or I have links to my other websites as well. So definitely check those out. And I'm out of time, so thank you again. All right, stay safe, stay strong, and we got this. Thank you.